Up yourself, up yourself, up yourself, up yourself. Everything.
Good morning, guys. It's a new day. As you can see, your girl is dressed. Well, now let's see if I can properly. Your girl is dressed for outside, and it's 6:30, and it's a day off. It's 6:30 and it's a day off, and your girl is already up. Yeah, I'm proud of myself. So we're gonna go for a morning run by myself and our music. Yeah, so I'm trying to plot twist my life, trying to do something different. So get up early, try to get some morning sunlight. Yeah, you know, try to take care of myself a little bit better. So got this little cute outfit on Amazon, border yellow. It's like perfect for the summer. Yeah, and we got our running shades. I forgot to put them over my glasses because can't see nothing without, so I forgot to put them over it. So yeah, and mind you, my glasses are transition, so it doesn't bother the sun, but you know, aesthetics. Yeah, so let's go. I'm gonna do some warm-up. I'm gonna do some quick warm-ups before I go walk or jog, whatever. Let's see.
High volume.
Guys, we're 10 minutes in. Guys, I have a whole community, and we'll live here a few years now. I first me I touch them bad, yeah. First. That's how much the girl don't go outside. Guys, did my 20 minutes. Felt so good. Yeah. Right, so I did 1 mile and my pace was 20. I don't understand this. Anytime I'm off, probably can try to come out a little bit earlier. It's my first day. I try to come out a little bit earlier because I didn't want to come out when it's dark, because people are outside. People are outside and people are passing them vehicle and I stop and I blow down, which is understandable, but I don't hear it. Henceforth the headphones, so I can't hear you. I can hear you, but I can't hear you. Yeah, man, I go home right now and get breakfast. Yeah. Alright guys, so we reached back home. I'm gonna take a shower, take a nice cool shower. Two things happened this morning. I got up early at my day off, and two, I went for a walk or jog. What's up?
Bruh.
That's a big plot twist already. So we're starting off good. I'm gonna be consistent in my life, because since, not gonna say no lie, since my dad passed, I've really let go of myself. Like, I really let go of myself, to be honest. And yeah, I want him to look at me and see that, you know, his baby girl is trying in life and she'll improve herself, although he's not here anymore, but I'm trying. So that's the aim. And yeah,
High volume.
guys, I'm so hungry, so I'm gonna peel up. Actually, actually about 2 yesterday, so I'm doing one right now because I want to taste it. I'm hungry, so I'm gonna do this one and the other one because we're gonna do some juicing. We're gonna do watermelon, papaya, and pineapple, and some pear. See how that combo works with ginger and so. See how that works. Take. Sweet.
Testify for you. I do that 3 4 times a night. Testify for you.
This is what you call now waste nothing now dasher the other day, and we had some left, so put it in the refrigerator. So when we say nothing now waste nothing now dash where? Not a food too expensive for you waste nothing right now, my love.
I don't got nobody just with you right now. For the truth, I look better under you.
Guys, I've fallen in love with these South African songs. I just find out it's South African music. I don't think I've been a chokehold. So we're having a moment right now. Yeah. I should be showing out randomly. So guys, it's morning time, and as you can see, we're partially already dressed. We're going for our second walk for the week. Just making some oatmeal. I'm making some oatmeal, and I have my tea to drink, but mommy have like 2 minutes to leave out of the house, so I'm gonna go follow her outside and come back and drink my tea and drink my oatmeal.
Morning.
Yeah, so she's ready for work. She's heading for work.
Yeah, I'm rushing out.
Yeah, because she's ever late. She ever late. Guys, let's go. Made my tea. I'm walking my tea. Oh my god, I feel so... Oh, who's this girl? Tea made early. She's walking her mommy to go to work. You mommy? Watch out. She won't walk faster. Bad man. Who am I? Alright guys, so outside with Uncle Earl to come. Our on time. Some can't quarrel. Because Uncle Earl miserable, you know? Thinks I'm really miserable, but no, sir, miserable differently. This. Unless he's gonna be in a nice mood today. Let me see. Morning.
Jesus, we are so early.
Going to walk.
Yeah?
Going to walk. Say hi to the vlog.
We are going so early.
Say hi to the vlog.
Good morning. Hi to the blog.
The vlog.
Hi to the VLOG.
Yeah.
We are going so early.
I'm going to walk.
Walk. Oh, okay.
Yes.
Walk around the avenue.
You crazy, man. Walking this one. Too much people.
Walk.
No, too much people.
What?
Too much people are down there, so.
Yeah.
So I'm go walk in the community.
You're nearly good looking, man. I'm here to look from.
Thank you.
Yeah?
No, myself. Alright, later. Bye. Bye, mommy. Be safe. Guys, you know me, I think about. Suppose I never carry my key. Come, I left my phone. And mommy gone. I'm gonna reach back inside. You know the sad part, there's no sunrise because I think they said the air quality is not going to be so the best today. So it's looking like very cloudy and dark, but anyways, let's get this warm up done. Now we're ready. Guys, I'll go extend the workout. I go over here. Why so much people on the road? I have anxiety. One man, him just walk with me a while ago. One woman over there says she got work. Like, want to reach our work already? It's just so. Let's just do what we have to do. Guys, the apartment is a mess. Wash the dishes, clean off the table. I'm drinking this so that I can get some energy. Alright guys, so we're making a what is name? What is name? Margarita? Tasharita. Mix it up.
This.
So we have cherry syrup, we have some lime juice, and we have backside who can pull back the side back. Thank you. about this? No. Still want more. Drag it. Put some rum in there, no?
This is good, bro.
You good?
Yo, real life alcoholic, yo, like. Alright.
Alright, no.
Let me get that touch of rum.
Can I put rum in there?
Just a liquor.
Bruh.
Yo, I really focus on your fire. Yo.
Yeah. Find
Pour
it.
it now a nice glass now. I get the
Find it. Find it. Alright. Cock off.
Go back in
You
the
drop
fridge.
your whole content.
I'm nervous in
And let me
front of the
say.
camera.
Look at the thing. Wow, that looks so refreshing. You ever watch True Juice, the bulk syrup?
Yo.
Can't study that. Gonna watch The Polygamist. It's gonna be a time.
Woo.
Gonna take you out for 6.
Got a nice ring to it.
Come, take a sip. How it is? Aaron. We're gonna do a juicing now. So have the pineapple, and it's starting to go bad actually to get it done now. Can't make it go another day. See, guys, may I try to get a different juicer, but come I feel like there's no, I just feel like should I get more out of this, more out of when my juice. And I feel like cheese can't help me. It's giving me juice, but I don't. This is supposed to be so tedious for me. So I saw some cheaper ones online because I can't afford them $100 ones. Or if you want something good, you just get it and done. The Nama is a good juicer. That's like $600 and something. Yeah, so I see another one which also speaks about some cheaper ones, and I read the reviews. It's not so bad, like $40-50. So I'm gonna try that one, but at some point when I have the money left to spare for that. But I don't feel like I feel like it should have produced more juice than this. You know, and it has a lot of foam. So the other juicer speaks about reducing the foam and then the pulp, because the pulp them still look wet. Like that means that there's still juice remnants inside of it. You know, the pulp them not come out dry. So yeah, so just what it is. I don't know if I juice anytime soon again, cause this demotivating. May do some carrot juice. That one I'm not gonna feel so bad over. But the fruits not cheap. The fruits are not cheap. So the facts there, it does feel like wastage. Yeah, but let's see. Back